Hi everyone, my name is Kitten and again, we're going to open this monster jam.
And this is not happening right now.
That's kind of mean of him, very mean of him.
Okay, and that.
But that's actually funny since, look at it.
I'm very sick of this. I will take a moment.
Okay, let's open it from the back. No, I have no idea how to open this. Oh, tapes! Tapes! Look.
Guys, it's so big and it's good. And this is
It's like bigger than Aldion when he's laying down.
Come on, with a baby.
And look, it's like almost like inches taller.
It has many windows like a beacon, but it's the electric system.
So you don't want to touch it, you'll get a crunch.
I love one.
It's like, if you could see the electric system. Okay guys, we got it out of the box, and now if when you wanna it comes, it does not have any charge, but then you flip it over and then you press this, and this is the charging cable that can use to charge, and then you put it back in, and then Adrian will let's try it. Going back home. Guys,
If it's going straight and you're going there, you have to put this button to make it go in the sky.
oh, this can move. This can move.
Yeah.
Oh. Mr. Adrian.
Now let's take this.
What? Let's take it back home now. Bye, everyone.
Adi.
Everyone, please like, subscribe, and on your notifications. Bye.